Hello, dear.
I came back from my clubs, Basil. I'm not staying.
Oh, aren't you? Okay.
What?
I'm sure you know best, dear.
You don't even want me to, do you?
Well, what's that?
15 years I've been with you, when I think what I might have had.
15 years. God.
You want me to go, don't you?
Oh, no, but you've obviously made your mind up, so...
I won't forget this, Basil.
Won't you, dear?
No, I won't. I'm going now, Basil. I think it's best, don't you?
All right, dear.
Right, Basil.
Cheerio, dear. Drive carefully, dear.
Let me just have a little feel, just to see if... No, don't be frightened. No, I'm not going to hurt you. Now, just feel your glands, dear. Now, don't be silly, Sybil. Just trust me, it's for your own good. Now, don't be silly. Ah!
What's going on?
She hit me, Basil.
What?
I was trying to examine her. She lashed out.
Don't hit our friends. I know you're not feeling 100%. Control yourself. I'm sorry, she's not herself today. Don't worry, the doctor will be over here soon. I'll give you a call, tell you what he says. So, anyone care for another drink or...
No. I think we ought to be going.
Better be.
Yes,
quite
nice.
right.
All the same, dear. They're all the same, believe me.
Oh, I know.
Now, don't forget all about it. We're going to have a nice game of golf and then go out to dinner. Did you get your clubs?
Well, awfully nice to have seen you all. Thanks for coming over.
No, not at all. We must do this more often, you know, when they're fit again.
Yes. Sorry about all the injuries. Still, perhaps when Sybil's a bit better, we can all get together and, have a proper... How extraordinary. We were just talking about you. Basil Fawlty. We met once at a fete. Let me show you where it is. How is the North? Have you been up there at all recently? Was it Derby? Good shit!
I'll have to kill him, Mr. Bobby! I'll have to kill him! I will sound fucking fire you!
I'll explain everything in a moment.
I want my mother like that! It's not fair!
What a coincidence. She's thinking of buying one of our fridges. Well, lovely to have seen you. Sorry about the ankle. All right, sorry. Yes, keep the head right back there. Yes. Sorry, those are just spraying on. Great fun. Piece of cake. Now comes the tricky bit.